What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's take some time to talk about Cronos. As you know, I've been invested in CRO for quite some time, and I invested originally. It was like $12,000 or $13,000. Right now, it's down to a lower price. And basically, it's not looking good. It's at about 7 cents. I'll go through the different pieces here, but let's talk about Cronos because people are thinking that things may absolutely skyrocket here off of what's about to happen. Now, we all know that Cronos or Crypto.com is a sponsor of the World Cup, and that's with billions of people that are watching. That's a huge deal. So let's definitely have a conversation about it. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links that are down below, my Twitter, my Patreon, all of that stuff. Anyways, Cronos and Crypto.com. Crypto.com has received a lot of, I wouldn't call it backlash, but let's call it scrutiny. I don't know, off of something that may not be true at all, right? We don't know all of the different information that's going on behind the scenes. We want to know, and we're trying to get things audited when it comes to understanding liabilities, understanding their reserves, their assets, just everything. We're trying to understand all the different pieces, especially with all the speculation and fear that goes into the market right now with all the CEXs, because FTX and BlockFi and Voyager and whoever the hell is next. So when we think of Crypto.com, we're also thinking maybe a little bit of that fear, and that's what a lot of people were pushing on Twitter, is that Crypto.com is next. However, the CEO, Chris, ended up coming out and talking about all this stuff, nipping it all in the butt. Obviously, we still have some open-ended things where it comes to reserves and it comes to liabilities. Like I said, expenses, how are their revenues, all that stuff. But they did do that. So now the focus is on what can happen for Cronos from here, because people bought at the low levels of 5 cents. And let me go ahead and show you guys. So Cronos is currently at 7 cents, but if you look over the last month, we're going to see the low was about 5.6 cents. So people bought at that low of 5 cents, and now they're looking for things to absolutely skyrocket, maybe even back to all-time highs. So the question is, when is it going to get back to all-time highs? Will the World Cup go back or push this back to all-time highs? And are we expecting anything further in the future when it comes to this growth? Are we expecting Cronos to get to $1? All-time highs is at like 96 cents. So getting to $1 would be a game changer for Cronos, but it wouldn't be literally the peak of the peak of this position, of the price potential. The price potential, if you're looking at it and comparing it to other altcoins, I would compare it to BNB and say that a $100 billion market cap is not out of the question, right? BNB was over a $100 billion market cap. It is an exchange coin. It is part of the largest crypto exchanges out there by dollar figure. Cronos or Crypto.com has 70 million users within the platform, whether they're actively using it or just have it installed on their phone. Which means it has a lot of people connected to it. And with exposure to or not 7 billion, but exposure to billions of people that are watching the World Cup, that's definitely going to make things interesting. However, will people be skeptical of buying into a CEX after everything that happened with FTX? And it's probably the case. However, still, with billions of people, you're going to understand that Crypto.com and everything that is advertised there, there's going to be a lot of people that sign up and believe in what they have there. And also, I'm sure we're going to see major growth within Cronos itself. So if we look at some of the information, we're currently sitting at a $1.7 billion market cap. Volume, we have $35.9 million, which is up 24% in the last day, slightly up on the day. We are seeing the circulating supply at 25 billion, which that's another thing. They were sitting at 100 billion. They burned off 70 billion, a little bit over 70 billion actually, total. And now you're sitting in the range of 25 to 30 billion. I still don't know exactly what that is because it says the max supply is 30 billion, 30.2, and the circulating supply is 25.26 billion. Now, if we scroll down and we look at some information, so let's go to all history, we're going to see that the high point here, and we go to the last year, the high point here was about 96, 97 cents before resisting, falling all the way back down to this level of 5 cents. Now, even getting back to all-time highs, that is basically a 20x return. That is huge to be able to see a 20x return in something just up to all-time highs, not even pushing for anything more than that, because that would be a $25 billion market cap. Can we get higher than a $25 billion market cap? I do believe we can, but it's going to come with time, right? You need time to heal the market. After what has happened with FTX, I think this has come too close. So will the World Cup push this to $1 or push this to all-time highs? I don't believe it will. Will we have some sort of spike in the price? Probably. We probably will see it get back to 10 cents, maybe 12 cents. Hopefully we can find a way to push even further than that, depending on how many people are investing within the platform. But my overall opinion is that we will not push up to all-time highs with just the World Cup. We do need some sort of a bullish market in general. So right now we're sitting at a $1.7 billion market cap. Can we get back to a $22 billion market cap, $22.6 billion market cap? And I think we can. Like I said, it's just going to take some time. Cronos is not going anywhere. They offer an APY, so the more time it takes, the more Cronos you build up, and the more you can end up getting. And if it does get to a level of $1, there's a lot of people that may take a ton of profit, including me. I'm not going to take a ton of profit, but I will take my initial investment and leave the rest in there, because now I can take that $12,000 or $13,000 or whatever I want to take, $15,000, and put it somewhere else that I do believe in as well. And this can sit here and gain passive income throughout the years. If it's worth $1 and stays at $1, goes up to $2, goes up to $3, burns down more, goes up to $10 or $20 or $50. I'm all for it, but I will always keep some in Cronos just in case things do get insane with the price movement, because I don't think Cronos is going anywhere. So I don't know. You let me know what you're thinking about the World Cup. Do you believe that we will see a major price increase? I understand it's billions of people that are watching this, that are looking at these sponsors, but understand that there are multiple sponsors of the World Cup. It's not just, Crypto.com. However, Crypto.com is hopefully going to be everywhere, right? So people can actually get an explanation as to what it is, because some people just don't want to invest in crypto, right? You have 70 million people that are on the platform. Can you find a way to get to 100 million people? Can you find a way to get to 150 million people? It depends, right? We don't know what the percentages of signups and new users and all of that stuff. So I'm interested. I'm very, very interested, but only time will tell. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. Follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.